India's biggest reality show Bigg Boss is back with its 10th season, and this time the spotlight is on the host Salman Khan, who is at his quirkiest best. Bhai is donning different avatars for the show's promo. Well, the first promo of Bigg Boss 10 had Sallu in an astronaut avatar. And in the other promo, one sees him revisiting his Sultan's avatar, and in the next he turns into Desi Indiana Jones. And now our superstar is back with another promo where Sallu can be seen talking about weird contestants who may enter Bigg Boss 10. Well, he can be seen in suit boot, and we must say, in this gentleman look, he looks really dashing. Henna? The actor has a cool demeanor and suave personality, and he really looks very stylish in this. Well, we know the show's new angle of having common people participating with celebrities. And we can definitely say that Bigg Boss 10 will be exciting and zara hatke. What say people? It isn't a secret that Salman Khan adores kids, and his Being Human Foundation is all about the welfare of these children. Look what we have for you. Well, we have some pictures of your favorite superstar who was seen surrounded with children on the sets of Tube Light in Manali. Well, Sallu is very fond of kids and he loves to play with the little ones. The superstar has been spotted entertaining and spending time with the kids on sets of many films. Henna? And now, we have some pictures of Bhaijan where we can see him surrounded with kids in Manali. The superstar received a warm welcome from his kiddie fans in Manali. The actor flew to the heaven on earth to begin with the next schedule of Kabir Khan's next flick, Tube Light. And he was more than happy to greet the little ones and take a few pictures with them. So people, what do you think of this sweet gesture of Salman Khan? Do let us know.
Oh my god! Did Katrina Kaif force Salman Khan to promote her film Baar Baar Dekho? Well, it seems like. Recently, Salman posted a video in which he merged two famous dialogues from Baar Baar Dekho and Freaky Ali. In this mashup video, he said the unique dialogues Kala Chashma, Chaddi Chaddi, Kala Chashma, Chaddi Chaddi. Wow, isn't that so funny? Well, as we all know that Salman's brother Sohail Khan's Freaky Ali and Kat's Baar Baar Dekho were clashing on the same day. So this gives rise to speculations that this has to be Katrina who made him do it, or at least the reason behind this. Henna? After all, Salman had earlier posted a video with a child standing beside him, speaking Nawazuddin's Chaddi dialogues from Freaky Ali. So, what do you think? Is she the only reason behind posting a video? Do let us know in the comments section below. Bhaijan is busy shooting for the second schedule of Kabir Khan's Tube Light in Kullu Manali. Here are some more glimpses which we grabbed on social media. Doesn't he look like a typical well-mannered gentleman and yet dapper? He's accompanied by his brother-in-law Ayush Sharma, since it happens to be his hometown. Ever since Bhai's second schedule for Tube Light started and the list of locations revealed, the film's development is getting even more intriguing, isn't it? And fans wait to know each detail about this film, where Bhai happens to play a specially abled character for the very first time. The Sino-Indian war-based movie has created enough buzz already and would be a treat to watch when it hits the theatres. Aren't you guys not excited to know more about Bhaijan's next Eid Delight Tube Light? Do let us know in the comments section below. As we all know that Bhaijan Salman Khan shared a video in which he promoted his ex-girlfriend Katrina Kaif's film Baar Baar Dekho with Sohail Khan's Freaky Ali. But now, again Salman took help of Kat's Baar Baar Dekho to promote Freaky Ali. You know how? Well, Salman shared a video in which he smartly promoted Freaky Ali through Baar Baar Dekho. We can see Salman saying, Freaky Ali, Baar Baar Dekho, Baar Baar Dekho, Freaky Ali. Wow, quite smart, है ना? Since Katrina and Siddharth Malhotra's Tara, Baar Baar Dekho has clashed with Freaky Ali on the very same date. But keeping this bitter clash aside, the makers as well as the stars of both the films have taken this clash sportingly, unlike others. This marks a beautiful example of two competitors in B-Town. So what do you think about Salman's smart move? Do let us know in the comments section below. We have seen comedian Kapil Sharma always supporting Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi for his initiatives. But now, Kapil's very angry on the system as he has to pay a bribe of rupees 5 lakhs to the Mumbai Municipal Corporation, the BMC, to get his office made. Well, the comedian expressed his anger in his tweet, which he wrote, "I'm paying 15 crore income tax from last 5 years. And still, I have to pay 5 lakh bribe to the BMC office for making my office, Narendra Modi." Also, he has questioned PM Modi in another tweet. "Ye hai aapke achhe din, Narendra Modi." Seems like the comedian is frustrated with the corruption in the system, and his tweet clearly shows it. But after his tweet, social media got into frenzy. Meanwhile, BMC officer has sought more details from Kapil Sharma on the same. So let us know your views about Kapil's tweet in the comments section below.
फिल्म इज़ गुड है आई थिंक जो अच्छी चीज़ है वो इट इज़ गॉट अ नाइस मैसेज नया नहीं है लेकिन एंटरटेनिंग है.
शुड वॉच इट एंड यू शुड वॉच इट बार बार. एक्चुअली जिनको कपल और रोमांस से प्रॉब्लम है उनको तो देखनी चाहिए मूवी.
Film was good. I like the songs very much.
Movie was okay. It was not up to expectation level. It was just fine. So not too bad, not too good. It was okay.
कटरीना कैफ और सिद्धार्थ के परफॉर्मेंसेस अच्छे थे लेकिन फिल्म ओके थी. कंफ्यूजिंग है बहुत.
मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. कास्टिंग बहुत फ्रेश लगी और स्टोरी थोड़ी अलग सी है कि आप ही ट्रैवल्स बैक किसी भी तरह एक पिछले अपने टाइम में चले जाता है, फ्यूचर में चले जाता है. तो मैसेज बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि आज में जियो, कल की चिंता मत करो. जो निकल गया वो पास था, जो आने वाला है वो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है.
कटरीना कैफ आज तक का मेरे ख्याल से सबसे बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस दिया है और सिद्धार्थ ने थोड़ा अंडर प्ले किया है, सबड्यूट रखा है. बट
या द केमिस्ट्री इज़ वेरी गुड. द कपल इज़ वेरी गुड. द पेयर इज़ अमेजिंग. सिद्धार्थ की ज़्यादा अच्छी है.
It was very nice. Siddharth and Katrina were very good, no doubt.
All songs are very nice. Yeah, बहुत अच्छा है वो तो best.
आई वुड गो विद 3 stars out of 5.
2.5 या 3. आई विल गिव 4 stars. 4.
फिल्म बहुत ही बेहतरीन है. सिनेमाटोग्राफी, डायरेक्शन, ऑल वाइज से, प्रोडक्शन के साइड से भी सलमान भाई की एक मूवी है. ऑफ कोर्स इट इज़ द बेस्ट मूवी एवर गिव बाय सलमान खान.
फ्रीकी बहुत अच्छी मूवी है. जो गोल्फ के ऊपर जो कॉन्सेप्ट है मुझे बहुत पसंद आया.
फ्रीकी अली एक स्पोर्ट्स मूवी है एंड स्पोर्ट्स को बहुत ज़्यादा अहमियत दिया जाता है मुंबई में, इंडिया में. तो आई थिंक इट वॉज अ वंडरफुल मूवी. नवाजुद्दीन का एक्टिंग वॉज सुपर क्लास.
जिस तरीके से एमी जैक्सन के साथ प्लॉटिंग की गई है, नवाज भाई की केमिस्ट्री ऑसम है. अरबाज भाई की एक्टिंग ज़बरदस्त है.
फ्रीकी अली ऑफ कोर्स सलमान खान. ही इज़ द बेस्ट. ही बेसिकली ओन्स बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री.
चड्डी वाला डायलॉग यार एकदम ज़बरदस्त था फिल्म के अंदर.
केमिस्ट्री दिख रही थी एंड इट वॉज गुड.
और मैं 5 में से 3.5 स्टार देना चाहूँगा.
नियर अबाउट 3.5.
The songs were also good. The acting was super class. I think it was a 4 on a 5, 4.5 on a 5 movie.
एक और बार चांस मिले तो यार फिर से देख ले.
Now here are a few pictures from Bhaijaan's alleged girlfriend Ulia Vantur, and they will melt your heart away. Ulia is currently out of India, but is making most of it by spending good amount of time with her close people. But minus Bhai, sad indeed. She shared these pictures on her Twitter handle and looks like she's having a blast with best friend and her daughter. Don't they look adorable together? The caption also added a lot of warm feeling, isn't it? It seems the little girl in the frame happens to be her goddaughter. Imagine who would be her godfather? Yes, Sallu indeed. Isn't that little girl lucky? Ulia used to accompany Bhai during his shoots, but due to visa issues, had to return to her motherland. Never mind, since there's a huge buzz amongst the B-town that both would settle down very soon. Well, leave that aside and let your eyes grab these wonderful pictures. Do let us know, how did you find them?
Yesterday was the judgment day for Bar Bar Dekho and Freaky Ali. Of course, we know that Baar Baar Dekho had a great buzz around it, and the reasons were many, like its glittery and extremely infectious songs, Katrina's sensuality, and her great chemistry with Siddharth. Whereas Freaky Ali was riding on Nawazuddin's mass appeal. Well, we surely know how he has grown to be a much liked actor. है ना? But would you like to know which of these movies had an edge over the other yesterday? Well, according to reports, Baar Baar Dekho proved to be more engrossing on the silver screen than Freaky Ali. We have the occupancy report of both the films, and it shows that Baar Baar Dekho opened up to around 30 to 40% occupancy as compared to Freaky Ali, which opened with 15%. Well, we can say that magic of Queen of Ticket Windows, Katrina, and the aggressive promotional strategies have made the film a huge success. What do you think?